Hi everyone. By the way, we'll be discussing Euro USD. Those who are in forex trading, no, we can actually trade this very bullish momentum for the Euro USD. Let us discuss with the higher time frame, especially the daily time frame. Okay, in the daily time frame, we've seen a very good breakout after the breakdown and also the statement of U.S. Donald Trump. No, he will. I mean, the U.S. will pause or will give a pause for the tariff implementation for 90 days, which means this create a very good bullish breakout for the Euro USD. As of now, it creates a very good breakout in the daily time frame. Okay, so probably in coming hours or days, we will have some retracement for Euro before another continuation on the upside. As of now, Euro USD is facing major resistance around this area, around 14.85. So this is where the massive resistance is located. As you can see, we have here that's a resistance. We also have a small resistance here and also a massive resistance on this level. Okay, so if we go back on the previous chart, we've seen a reactions on that levels. So basically, Euro could create a retracement before a continuation. As you can see, it could retrace on the intraday before it goes up again, targeting the other resistance will be around 1.2 up to this area. That will be our target. First target is here around 1.2 and 1.23. Okay, so probably if we're gonna trade that on the lower time frame around 1 hour, okay, we can see that the market will possibly have a retracement before breaking out these resistance. Okay, so if you are trading right now, we'll try to check sa 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is still very bullish, but for me, I'll be waiting for here, before we'll have another long positions. As of now, no, it's a very bullish sentiments right now. Okay, so let the market create first, or if the market will have a continuation, but a higher chance that the market will correct first before a continuation, or even here in this area in the lower time frame before it goes up, okay, before breaking that resistance. Okay, let us discuss also on the parallel side, which is the DYX or the dollar index. On our dollar index, as you can see, it is now on the major support, and it depends on the market. Will it break or not? No, I think this will really hold a good support on that area, and we'll see if it will continue moving downward, and it might target support area. We'll check what will be the support area for this DYX. We'll check the bull trend right here. Okay, we'll see if all right. Okay, so there will be also a higher chance that the dollar index will create a bounce in this area. Oh, this is also the reaction for the retaliation of China. No, some of the big countries, no, they reduce the purchase of the US dollar. Probably they are now moving against the dollar. So products I mean, their imports and also their goods are not using US dollar anymore. No, some of the goods, especially on China, this will create a downfall for the US dollar because it reduces the demand. So we have this downward movement. So because we are facing a support area, probably people will try to accumulate, or some of the countries, especially on the those countries are not really affected on the tariff, probably will try to grab this opportunity, to get in on the dollar side. Okay, so we'll see if it will create a bounce on this area. So probably this will be correlated to some of the possible retracement of Euro USD. So this will create a bounce probably. So which means that the Euro USD will also go down before its breakdown. Okay, so if we go back to Euro USD, that will be similar scenario. Okay, so it will create a retracement, and then possible another breakout for the Euro USD. So imagine it will take around 90 days, no, before the resumption of the tariff, no. So probably this will create a very bullish move for other currency in forex. Okay, I think that's all for this analysis for Euro USD. Thank you and God bless everyone.